Hello, fellow coding enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Code with Technical Earth. I'm your host, Vishal Arora, and today we have an incredible topic in store for you. We're going to delve into the fascinating world of data structures and algorithms, from the basics to advanced concepts. Basics of data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms are the backbone of efficient and optimized software development. They enable us to organize, store, and manipulate data in a way that improves performance and solves complex problems. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your coding skills, this video will provide you with a solid foundation. Let's start with data structures. Think of them as containers or ways to organize and store data in a computer's memory. We'll explore essential data structures like arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, and trees. Understanding their properties, advantages, and use cases will empower you to make informed choices when solving problems. Now that we have a grasp of data structures, let's dive into algorithms. Algorithms are step-by-step procedures or sets of rules for solving specific problems efficiently. We'll explore different algorithmic techniques, such as searching, sorting, recursion, and dynamic programming. These techniques are fundamental to becoming a proficient problem solver. To analyze and compare the efficiency of algorithms, we'll introduce the concept of Big O notation. It allows us to understand an algorithm's time and space complexity, enabling us to choose the most optimal solution for a given problem. We'll demystify common Big O notations like O, 1, O, and O, log n, and more. As we progress, we'll explore different algorithmic paradigms, such as divide and conquer, greedy algorithms, and dynamic programming. Understanding these paradigms will expand your problem-solving toolkit, helping you approach complex problems with clarity and efficiency. Designing efficient data structures and algorithms is a crucial skill for any programmer. We'll discuss techniques like abstraction, encapsulation, and modular design to create reusable and scalable code. We'll also cover best practices and design patterns to optimize your solutions. Once you've mastered the basics, we'll venture into more advanced data structures and algorithms. We'll explore topics like graph algorithms, advanced searching and sorting techniques, and optimization algorithms. These advanced concepts will challenge you and take your problem-solving abilities to new heights. To showcase the practicality of data structures and algorithms, we'll examine real-world applications. We'll see how these concepts are used in fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, network analysis, and more. Understanding their applications will not only broaden your knowledge but also inspire you to explore exciting career paths in these cutting-edge fields. To solidify your understanding and enhance your skills, we'll engage in coding challenges and practice sessions throughout the video. These exercises will reinforce the concepts we've covered and provide you with hands-on experience in implementing data structures and algorithms. To further support your learning journey, we'll share valuable online resources, tools, and platforms where you can continue exploring data structures and algorithms. These resources will serve as your guidepost as you dive deeper into this fascinating subject. By the end of this hour-long video, you'll have gained a comprehensive understanding of data structures and algorithms, from the basics to advanced concepts. You'll have the knowledge and skills needed to tackle complex programming challenges, optimize your code, and create efficient and scalable solutions. I hope you're as excited as I am to embark on this journey of exploring data structures and algorithms. So, grab your coding tools, get ready to learn, and let's dive into the captivating world of data structures and algorithms.